Hey, 5th grade mathers, happy Monday. Here we go, we're doing one page today, page 117. You guys have been working hard. I am proud of you, and I think you're gonna look at this stuff today and be like, Nijska, you cannot tell us that this is a new lesson. It's bien obvio what you're supposed to do there. Okay, cool. I really think that you're not gonna have any problems. It's like literally like the exact same thing we were learning last week, just like one more paso, and I think that you guys can adivinar that paso. What do you think? Let's try it. Okay, these two things right here are gonna be review stuff. So I'm gonna let you do it first, and I'm gonna check it with you. So go ahead and do number 1A. Number 1A, change this to an improper fraction. Go for it. Got it? Okay, here we go. What's the answer, Danielito? I think you said 39/8, and that would be absolutely perfect, right? 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39. And we always keep our denominator the same, 39/8. Okay, so then last week we learned how to do this, right, Oscar? How do we multiply a mixed number by a regular fraction? What do we have to do with that mixed number? Make it an improper fraction. So go ahead and do letter A and letter B by yourself, and we'll check it. All of you, not just Oscar. Ready? Okay, here we go. Saphir, tell me, what is this number right here in an improper fraction? 11/3. Excellent job, Chica. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. And then we keep our denominator. And we're going to multiply that by 3/4. Is there anyone that we could cancel, Abiel? Yeah, we could do 3 divided by 3 is 1. So you put 1 right there, right? And we multiply 11 times 1 is 11. And 1 times 4 is 4. When we get this answer, Duena, what do we need to do? Divide, because the 11 is bigger than the 4. Excellent. That's going to be 2 and 3/4. 2 and 3/4. Maybe you guys got a different fraction right here, but make sure you reduce, okay? Reduce. Maybe some of you guys did not cancel this, right? Maybe you went 11 times 3 is 33, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, you can do that. It's a little bit harder, right? That's why I made sure you guys learned how to cancel. But then you're still going to have to divide, and then you're still going to have to reduce, which means you're still going to end up with the same answer, because that's how math works, right? There's only one right answer. And that's pretty cool, because it's the same thing with God. There's one right thing to do, and if you're not doing the right thing, it's sin, right? And he can always help us know what the right thing is. Okay, here we go. Letter B. I think you guys did this by yourself, so here we go. Frankie, what is the improper fraction for 6½, buddy? 13/2. Excellent job, right? 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13/2 times 4/7. Can we divide 13 and 7? No. But what can we do with that 2 and that 4, Abiel? We can cancel and make that 2. Excellent job. 13 times 2 is 26. And 1 times 7 is 7. Okay, then what did we do, Andres? We have to divide 7 into 26. right? This is kind of chiquitito, but I'm sure you guys can do this with me. 7 into 26. How many times does that go in, Ethan? 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. 26 minus 21 is 5. So your answer is 3 and 5 sevenths. 3 and 5 sevenths. Okay? Okay, then let's go into the new stuff today. Who's ready to just like adivinar, to guess? What do you think you do to get the new stuff? You have a mixed number times a mixed number. What do you think that you have to do? Mario? Convert them both into improper fractions. Convert them both into improper fractions and then multiply like normal. Okay, so let's do it. It's super easy, right? Who guessed that? Raise your hand if you guessed that that is what you have to do. I'm sure most of you did. Okay, here we go. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 over 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 3. Okay, which one are we going to be dividing into? Let's see, yeah. The 3 and the 5, right? So here, 3 and the 15, pardon. 15 divided by 3 is 5, so we put the 5 on the big number and the 1 on the small number. Ooh, 5 times 13. Okay, in my head, that's going to be fun. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 65 over 2. Right? 65 over 2, and then we need to divide. 2 into 5 is 2. That makes that a 4. Uh-oh, I'm losing you. You should get 32 and a half as your answer. Make sure you do that on your paper so you have an example to follow. Okay, here we go. Try to do letter B by yourself. Do letter B by yourself. Okay, I'll give you a couple of minutes to do that one, then we'll work on it together. I'm going to erase the rest of this board so we can see it. Okay, you ready for this? Here we go. Danielito, give me my first mixed number, my first improper fraction, buddy. 11 over 4, cool. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11 times. What's my other one, Oscar? 6 over 5, excellent job. Okay, can we divide anything? Nope, we can't, so you gotta multiply this one out. Here we go. I'm gonna do it over here though. 11 times 6 is 66. 4 times 5 is 20. Now what do we gotta do, Frankie? Divide. Uh-oh, can you see this? This marker's not working super well now. 20 into 66. Okay, how many times is 21 to 66? Ethan? 3, right? Because 2 goes into 6 3 times, so it's 6. 6 over 20. Do we need to do anything else, Mario? Divide, right? What are we going to divide by? What do we need to reduce? Do we know what we got to do? Divide by what? 2, right? Okay, so we're going to divide by 2, so your answer is going to be 3 and 3 over what, Danielito? 10. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay? You want to do one more? Go ahead and do letter C by yourself. Letter C by yourself. And we'll check it together. Okay, you ready, Safir? What's my improper fraction right here? 3/2. Good job, Chica. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. What is this one right here, Ethan? 7 over 6. Good job. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Can I divide anything, Danielito? Yes, I can. This one and this one. Good job. What's this one going to be down here, Abiel? 2. And this one right here, Abiel? 1. So what's my new fraction, Oscar? 7 over 4. What do I have to do on today's? Divide. Okay, 4 into 7 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 times minus 4 is 3. 3 over 4. Do I need to reduce anything, Danielito? Nope. Good. There's your answer. 1 3/4. I think you can do the rest by yourself, but I want you to look at number 4, letter B. Number 4, letter B. Letter A is easy. I want to see you at least try. It's easy. You can do the whole thing by yourself, but I want to see you at least try. Don't just invent and don't leave it blank, okay? Here we go, but I'm going to help you with letter B. Lucas bought 6 packs of 25 pens each. 6 packs of pens, 25 pens each. I would think that we're going to multiply, but I'm going to wait and see what it says. 6 packs of pens, 25 pens in each one of them for $4 per pack. Okay? And sold each pen for 25 cents. Oh, okay, so he was buying the pens in bolsas. He bought 6 bolsas, 25 pens in cada bolsa. The bolsas cost $4, but he sold the pens, he's vendiendo the pens for 25 cents cada pen, not cada bolsa. So how much was his profit? What was his ganancia? Okay, well, let's see. How much did he spend buying the pens? How much did he spend buying the pens? What do you think you need to do, Oscar? I would say the first thing we need to do, guys, is we need to find out how many pens he bought, right? He bought 6 packs of 25, so I'm going to multiply 6 times 25. Right? Go ahead and do that for me, Danielito. 150, right? Good job. So 150 pens, right? So, he bought 150 pens for $4. That's what he's saying. He bought, él los compró, 150 pens for $4. But now he's going to sell 150 pens for 25 cents each. So what are we going to do? I'm going to multiply this by 25. Okay. Now watch what I'm going to do with this 0. I'm going to put the 0 right here. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm done with that 0. And I'm going to multiply everything over here first. Okay? Let's move this down a little so we can see the whole thing. Okay. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 7. Okay, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 0. 2 times 5 is 7. 2 times 5 is 7. Oh my goodness, you guys. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. And now we're going to have the 0 right here. 0, 5, 7, 3. Okay? We have to put our punto because this is money. Point right there, $37.50. So he sold all the pens for $37.50. Okay? He sold all the pens for $37.50. He spent $4 for each bag. So how much did he spend on pens? Frankie? He bought 6 bags. Each bag cost $4. So he spent $24. Okay, so look at this guy. He bought pens for $24. He sold them for $37.50. He's a good businessman. So how much did he make in profit? We need to subtract 0, 5, 3, 1. He made $13.50 selling pens. Pretty good deal, huh? Okay, and that's it for today, you guys. Have a great day.